11 Best Low Sugar Fruits. Watching your sugar intake is a good idea, but taming your sweet tooth can be an incredibly difficult feat. Perhaps you've already cut out processed sugars, but didn't realize how much sugar is contained in fruit. Or maybe you live with diabetes and want to know which fruits will have the least impact on your blood sugar. While fruit also contains lots of other healthy nutrients, some varieties are higher in sugar than others. Learn which fruits are lowest in sugar content so you can satisfy your sweet tooth without breaking the sugar bank. 1. Lemons. High in vitamin C, lemons and their lime green counterparts are fairly sour fruits. They don't contain much sugar, only a gram or two per lemon trusted source or lime trusted source, and are the perfect addition to a glass of water to help curb your appetite. 2. Raspberries. With only 5 grams trusted source, a bit more than a teaspoon of sugar per cup, and lots of fiber to help fill you up, raspberries are one of several amazing berries to make the list. 3. Strawberries. Strawberries are surprisingly low in sugar considering they taste so sweet and delicious. 1 cup of raw strawberries has about 7 grams trusted source of sugar, along with over 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C. 4. Blackberries. Blackberries also only have 7 grams trusted source of sugar per cup. You don't have to feel guilty snacking on these dark-colored berries. As a bonus, they're also high in antioxidants as well as fiber. 5. Kiwis. These odd fuzzy green fleshed fruits are technically considered a berry too. Kiwis, or kiwi fruits, are rich in vitamin C and low in sugar with just 6 grams trusted source per kiwi. You can find kiwis all year round at the grocery store. 6. Grapefruit. Another citrus fruit to make the list is grapefruit. While grapefruits certainly don't taste as sweet as a grape, they make for a great breakfast with only 9 grams trusted source of sugar in half of a medium-sized grapefruit. 7. Avocado. While not exactly the first thing that comes to mind when you think of fruit, avocados are indeed fruits, and naturally low in sugar. An entire raw avocado only has about 1 gram trusted source of sugar. What avocados do have a lot of are healthy fats, which will help keep you satiated. 8. Watermelon. Watermelons are the iconic summer fruit. They may seem like a treat, but they're low in sugar. A whole cup of diced up watermelon has under 10 grams of sugar. A bonus of eating watermelon is it's also a great source of iron. 9. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupes owe their orange color to a high vitamin A content. A cup of this delicious melon contains less than 13 grams of sugar. This may be a bit higher than other fruits, but keep in mind that a 12-ounce can of soda has nearly 40 grams of sugar, and very little nutritional value. 10. Oranges. Oranges are another great way to enjoy a sweet snack without all the calories and sugar, while also boosting your vitamin C intake. A typical navel orange has about 12 grams of sugar per fruit and less than 70 calories. 11. Peaches. Peaches can be incredibly sweet, but at less than 13 grams of sugar in a medium-sized fruit, they can still be considered low in sugar for a fruit. If you like the video, share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates.